Let's roll up one vertebrae at a time. Start with that chin and scoop, roll through, reach those arms. If the weights are too heavy, you can put the hands down on the mat. Reach the arms overhead, but don't let the back arch. Exhale, roll and reach. And then down. Excellent. And again, roll and reach. And then down. 2 more times, roll and reach. And down. 1 last time, roll and reach. And down. And done. Excellent. My hands are going to come down by my side. My weights are going to come off to the side. I'm going to flip over onto my side. We're going to do a little bit more upper body here on our side. So I'm going to be stacked up on my elbow. I'm going to have one of those light weights in my hands, and I'm going to lift into that side kneeling plank. All right. So the rotator cuff, full range. I start here. I come all the way up and all the way down. All the way up, all the way down. Rotate and down. Rotate and down. Now, it's not a big movement here. You got this. Good. And 10 and done. Excellent. I want to send the top leg out long. I'm going to bring this arm to the ceiling. I'm going to hold there and do triceps. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. I'm still lifted from underneath. Good. This is 8. We're doing 10, 9, and 10. Now I'm going to hold that arm there. I'm going to bring it up overhead with control. And as I lift my leg, I'm going to bring my arm. So it's that little star, keeping the control from underneath as the arm and leg move together. You got this. 2 more. 1 last time. And hold. Good. Bend the elbow in. Bring it down by your hips. Now, I want to do a little bicep curl here. I like mine a little bit rotated. You can keep it full on. It's up to you. Good. Keep that lift underneath. Good. 8 and 9. Last one here is 10 and in and down. Excellent. I'm going to send myself all the way long here. Good. I'm going to lift both legs up. I'm going to support my head with my hands. I'm going to tiny pulse up with the legs. 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and hold. Now, top leg stays, bottom leg lowers down and pulses up. 2, 3, 4. Breathe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it up there. Keep them both lifted. Pulse the top leg up. 2, 3. Here's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. They both come together. They go down and up, down and up. Inhale, exhale. Keep that rib cage wrapped up tight. You got this. 8 and 9. Last one's 10 and done. Excellent. I want to take one more set at the arms. So the arm is down on my hips. My legs are down and my relaxed. I'm going to bring my arm up, over my head, down in front, and circle it around. Up, over the head with control. Down in front and around. Good. Just as much challenge through the obliques and the abs for stability here as it is for the shoulder doing the circle. Good. Hold it at the hips and come the other way. Up and then down. And then bring it up and then down. Good. Nice and controlled, just like a leg circle for the range and the mobility. And around and down. Very nice. Bring it down. We're going to turn over and do the whole set on the other side. So I'm going to have that weight nearby for the other arm and bring it all the way down. So the elbow plank here, rib cage is wrapped, stacked up. We keep the butt down for the first set and we do that rotation. Arm here and we rotate all the way up and all the way down. all the way up and all the way down. Now, that arm is just flowing. The elbow is by my side, but it's not gripping because otherwise you wouldn't be able to move. Good. Almost there. 9 and 10 and down. Good. Now, I'm going to lift up into that side plank. I'm going to send that top leg out long, nice and controlled, and bring the arm up for the tricep. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. So now the elbow stays fixed. I'm wrapped up in through my rib cage. If you're not quite in the right position, adjust accordingly. Now, last one, hold it there. As I reach my arm overhead, I keep my leg and then I bring them together. Star here. You got this. Keep that lift in those obliques. Last one, and hold. Excellent. The arm comes down, and we bend for the bicep. Up, and 2. Good, you got this. Last one, and done. Excellent. We're going to lower all the way down. That weight comes down. That upper body's resting. Top leg is out. Bottom leg is out. And they both are lifting. Up, down, lift, lower. Feel that length. Good. 8. Top of the neck is relaxed. 9. All the work from the legs. 10. Hold them up. Release the bottom leg and pulse it up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inner thigh here. 7, 8, 9, and hold. Top leg up. 2, 3. Keep the bottom leg in place. 5, 6. Here's 7, 8, 9, and 10. Bring them together. Lower and lift. Up. And 2. Inner thighs are strong. 3. Neck is relaxed. 4. Let that head rest down. 5. 6, position that bottom arm so your head is nice and long in its natural position. 8 and 9. Last one here is 10 and done. Excellent. We've got one more set for that arm. Okay, so now these are these circles. We come up, circle down to the front and around. Up overhead and around. Keeping yourself balanced and steady, flowing through that arm. One more time. Oof, and around. Now we go reverse, overhead, up to the ceiling and down. Overhead, up to the ceiling and down. Nice strong shoulder work here. Just getting that mobility. Nice. Last time. And down. Good job. Bend those knees and take that weight down. We're going to flip onto your belly. We're going to do a little bit more work through the back here. Spending so much time on those arms and those legs. Hands come underneath your head. Head resting down. Legs are wide. And we're going to lift everything up together. Exhale, lift and lower. Good. Nice strong abs as you lift and lower. Now it's either the side of the head or the forehead, just not your chin. Lift, slide your shoulders down. Squeeze your glutes and lengthen. Now we're going to add those arms lifting. Exhale, lift. Reach the arms over the head. Bring them back in and bring it down. So while you're hovering up there with those arms coming overhead and back in, you're breathing, you're squeezing your glutes, you're holding your abs in, you're reaching through your toes. Everything is nice and long and supported. Good. Let's do 2 more. Exhale, lift. Inhale, reach. Exhale, in and down. One more time. Lift, reach, in and down. Very nice. Bring your legs together. Push yourself back. Stretch out through those arms. Now, I'm feeling like I'm being pulled from my fingers all the way back to my hips. Got that nice energy in that shoulder girdle, right about there by those shoulder blades. Good. I'm going to take my left arm. I'm going to slide it through underneath my right and get a little rotation there and just hold. So it's a little more stretch for the back by the ribs and by the shoulder blades. My shoulder and my arm are resting down on the mat. I'm going to pull that arm back through and bring it up overhead. Sink into that shoulder stretch for both sides and then drag that right arm through and stretch. My head's looking at my right hand, which is underneath my left arm. Bring it through, both hands out front, and then roll it up all the way up. Excellent. I want to swing my legs around front and I want to flex my feet back. Get us a little bit of hamstring here. Now, if you can't sit with your legs straight and your back tall, you can bend your knees and keep your back tall. Hinge forward from your hips. Now, remember, highly individual. Only leaning as far forward as you can keep your back lengthened. And you can feel that stretch in through the hamstrings. Your toes are up to the ceiling. If you want to reach and grab your toes, you can. If you can't reach for your toes, that's okay. You can reach further forward on your legs. Hips are reaching back. Chest is open. Back is flat. Good. Let go and sit up tall. Excellent. Cross one leg over the other. Start at the head and roll down. Walk those hands forward. Go as far forward as you can go, stretching through the hips. Breathing. Roll it up all the way. Switch the leg in front and we'll do the other side. Rounding from the head all the way down and reach, stretch. Roll it up. Excellent. All right, breathe inhale in here and exhale. And again, inhale and exhale. Give yourselves a hand. You guys did a really nice job. Thanks very much.